I'm Peter Connor. I'm Managing Director of HealthCode Limited, and we're, I think, considered the leading provider of IT services for the private healthcare sector. And unlike traditional IT companies, we focus very much at an industry sector level. So the services we're probably best known for are electronic billing, and we process patient-level information for PHIN. So billing, for example, we look after over 7,000 healthcare providers, and we process over 18,000 invoices every single day. For PHIN, we process all the patient-level clinical records for their members. We have a range of other IT services as well, all healthcare related, but those are the things we're mainly known for.
Great. So what are you going to be talking about at the Healthcare Summit?
Well, I guess not surprisingly, I'm going to be looking at the sector from an information technology perspective. I'm really trying to see where we've made progress as a sector, but also where we've still got work to do. I'm going to be comparing our sector not only with other healthcare sectors, and particularly the NHS, obviously, but also looking outside and really from a consumer's perspective to see what we should be expecting as consumers in our market, and really seeing what services are on offer today and what are not. I think, as you may expect, I'm not going to be that complimentary because I think we've got quite a long way to go. But that said, I'm not going to be taking a negative approach. I'm going to be trying to paint a picture of and introduce, if you like, a roadmap for where I believe we should be heading.
Great. And why do you think that's such a pertinent topic right now?
I think there's two aspects to that. There's the obvious one, where in the light of the Competition and Markets Authority, we've got that order and we've got to act on that behalf. But that's really just a hygiene factor in many ways. That's us doing what we've been told to do and what we have to do to get our house in order. But I think it really goes back to us as consumers. And, I, as a consumer of healthcare, I've been there recently myself, and I've had a bad experience. And in the wake of us continually being told how our market is stagnant, even stagnating, we need to be doing more for our consumers and getting our own house in order. So I believe it's completely relevant today because, we've got to make our sector grow and prosper, and I think technology's got a big part to play in that.